Duncannon and Bolschica. That's a big wide street. There we go. Fix that one up pretty nice. That's the one there. Vault ceiling in the main living room. Little dining room. Great floors.
He sits in his wheelchair and he goes,
Upstairs.
It's a journal, you just have to.
Inside laundry.
No, I gotta get back and feed Mindy.
Some extra storage.
Sorry. Well, she wasn't eating while she was here.
Yeah, scrape the ceilings. Get some nice paint and you're done. Big walk-in closet. There's a lot more light. They have everything shut down, so. But, wow. It's a big room. Long. This room feels a little small, but wow. There's a big bonus room over the garage with a deck. People are out walking, their kids and their dogs. What's this room? Kind of a strange room. Huh. There's a closet. Lots of storage in the hallway.
Maybe I forgot to lock it when I came and picked up the...
So this is the master bedroom then. The bathroom's a little small.
You want to take a picture of that tree over there.
Oh, you have some oranges over there?
I mean,
tangerines?
The tangerines.
Oh, yeah.
California, here we go.
Yeah. Well, it's a great side yard and everything.
It's huge.
And the kids can play. Yeah.
It's the biggest lot in this cul-de-sac.
Is it? Yeah.
Most of them don't have a yard this big.
Yeah, it's
This is
giant.
party yard.
Well, that's
Fourth
good.
of July. Hibiscus.
Uh-huh.
That one's pink and that one's yellow. And these are plumeria bushes, and they flower in the summertime or the spring, whatever,
Uh-huh.
and they smell so
Oh,
sweet.
good.
You could.
Nice.
When I first moved into the master bedroom, the wind was blowing. The window was
Oh,
open.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
And oh my God, it was like perfume. So pretty.
That's neat.
Yeah, I don't have any yard over there either.
Oh, no. You're going to feel like you're missing out on something, but...
The only thing nice about it is I own it.
Well, that is good. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
anyway, I'm gonna go pick some of these and get busy.
Well,
with my
how's the neighborhood?
The neighborhood?
I mean, the kids. Are there a lot of kids?
There are
or?
no young children in this cul-de-sac,
Okay.
but in the across the street there are, and all over there. The school is 3 blocks. The elementary school
Right, right.
is 3 blocks from
Oh,
here,
perfect.
and it's a good school.
Okay.
The kids moved over on Cornell,
Okay.
so they could keep their kids there.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
But it's quiet, except
Yeah.
you can hear the freeway.
Okay. Oh, is that what that is? Yeah. Just a little bit of a hum, not really.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's not
Yeah.
bad.
Uh-uh.
When I didn't have my hearing aids, and I couldn't hear it at all.
Right.
But yeah, it's a good neighborhood, and these people over here are great. And these people, now none of them have. They have a granddaughter that lives with them part-time, and
Okay.
their children are all grown.
Right.
And I don't know the people on the end or those over there,
Okay.
but very nice people.
Great.
Very nice people.
Well, I appreciate you letting me take the time this morning. Good luck to you. Yeah, thanks so much. Yeah, well, we'll see what we can do. So here's the elementary school. A distinguished California school. Home of the Dolphins. And then there's a walking path cut through from the end of that cul-de-sac onto Lane over to here. And on the other side of the elementary school is a park. Bolsa Chica Park.